how to import an image on Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. Now there are multiple ways for you to be able to import. The first way that you could do is you could click on uploads over here on the left side and click on upload file. And just simply upload the files that you want to upload and it should automatically add it. As you can see, this is our added file. And if you click it, it will be added onto your screen. Another thing that you could do is, for example, we could check out an image over here in Google or any source out there, and you can just simply drag. And on some browsers it would work, but you could easily drag and drop it into your Canva over here, and you should be able to upload it directly as well. You can even directly drag it from your download. As you can see, it will do the same. It will upload it directly as well. So that's basically it, guys. If you want to be able to do the different features that we're utilizing over here, click the link in the description below to be able to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.